Hi, and welcome to another session of my programming tutorials. This time we're going to explore the arrays for beginners. Okay, we already discussed about data type declarations and how to declare a variable and so on. So let's at this point declare a variable of a type numbers, for example, of a type integer. Okay. So you can do it like this way, and then add the items, or you can just directly open up the curly braces, just like that, and just enter the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example, enter the elements or the items which are inside the specified array of a type integer. You can do it also this way, we said, right? You can do it like that. And then if you specify inside, for example, number 6, that means that you're limiting the size of the array to 6 elements. Okay, so every element has an index which starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that means that this the size of this array is actually of 6. Actually, my apology. The size is of 6 elements. Okay. So, and the other way you can also add elements to an array is by opening up the square brackets and then specifying the index of the array, and then the 0 index is equal to 1. The numbers, open up index 1 equals to 2, for example, and so on and so on. Now let's override the item on index 0, and let's put 11, and then on index 1 let's put 2. Okay, we can override it this way, just keep that in mind. If we want to print out at this point the first element, or it will be 1, but then it gets overwritten by 11. So if we want to print out number 11, all we have to do is just to specify the name of the array, which is number, and the index, which is okay, this one, right? Okay, so in this case you see that we printed out 11. Now if we do it like this way, all right, that means that now nothing gets overwritten. That means that we're printing out item 1 from the initialized array. Looping through arrays is very easy. So let's use the for each loop cycle, and you do remember that from the loops programming tutorial that we needed to do it like that, var instantiate I in numbers. So for each item I in the array numbers, print out all items found in the array, just like that. Okay, very easy. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the right way to do. Now you can also use for it the for cycle or other actually loop cycles, but let's just use this one so that you can see what I mean. It's not complicated, it's a little bit differently, but then actually it's still the same. So okay, and then we say increment by each. Let's okay, the printing is a little bit different. I will explain the code in a moment. Okay, actually numbers for each item. Okay, so basically we say the following: for each item that starts from on the length 0, meaning from each item that starts from the beginning, loop through and go up to the point of the array length, which is specified right here, right? And then increment once you print out the first item, then increment or go to the next one and go to the next one and go to the next one. So what's going to happen is, first of all, this for loop will check for one will get printed out, right? And then it will go again through the loop, and then because of this statement right here, plus I plus plus, then we'll go to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, etc. Okay, so this way you're printing it out this way. Okay, so when you hit F5, you see we achieve the same results. The way you can declare, I mean, pretty much in order for you to declare auto types, data types of arrays is the same. So pretty much you can really share the same knowledge. Like for example, if you want to declare var names of a type string array, right? You can just simply do it like this way, right? And since this is an array of a type string, you have to do it like, I mean, the values have to be surrounded by double quotes, John, Jackie, okay, and then you can just simply do for each cycle, and then we can say the same again for every and each item in names, print all names. Okay, it's very simple, isn't it? There we go. So this way we will print out John and Jackie onto the screen. You see right here. Okay. So that was a quick tutorial, programming tutorial on arrays. Thank you very much for watching.